Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2009 Toyota Prius Hybrid maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button right here, the trip button, the kilometer and miles per hour button, and we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. As you can see, we are on the trip A. If you are not on the trip A, go ahead and press that trip button and go find it. Just like that. Okay. Now when you're at the trip A, you can go ahead and turn off your car. And now at the same time, press and hold this kilometer and miles per hour button. Press and hold and turn your car back on without starting. And you should see that blinker running just like that. Guys, don't forget to click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.